अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाह। आज हम टॉपिक 5 को देखेंगे साइंस सीरीज़ के। MCQ नंबर 1 है, टॉपिक 5 का नाम है सेंस ऑर्गन्स। MCQ नंबर 1 इज देयर आर 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स इन ह्यूमंस: आई, नोज, एयर, टंग एंड स्किन। आई कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 coats: sclerotic layer, choroid layer and retina layer. Next MCQ is sclerotic layer. The sclerotic layer is the outermost white coat of the eye. It protects the inner part of the eye. The cornea is the transparent front part of the eye that covers the iris and pupil. Colored part of eye is called iris. The dark hole of the iris is called pupil. Behind the pupil lies a lens which is attached to the muscles. इस चैनल पे इस वीडियो में इस टॉपिक के वो तमाम MCQs और इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स मौजूद हैं जो अब तक डिफरेंट टेस्ट में आ चुके हैं। इस वीडियो में पास्ट पेपर के सब MCQs को कंपाइल कर दिया है, सो इट्स रिकमेंडेड टू वॉच द वीडियो टिल एंड। Choroid layer. Choroid is the middle layer of the eye. Choroid color is black. The choroid is filled with blood vessels that bring oxygen and nourishment to the eye. Vascular layer of the eye is called choroid. Retina, the third part, innermost covering of the eye is called retina. Image formed in eye at the retina. When light comes from the external object, then it passed through retina. Behind the retina are optic nerves which take the signals to the brain and helps us to see the object. Nose, the second sense organ. If your nose is at its best, you can feel the difference between 4,000 to 10,000 smells. Nose open outside through nostrils. Special cells called receptors located in the upper part of nostrils. Next is air. Air consists of 3 parts: outer air, middle air, inner air. Outer air consists of pinna and a canal. Where canal is end, the eardrum is start. The middle ear consists of 3 small bones called ossicles. The inner ear consists of 3 semicircular canal and a coiled structure called cochlea. Ear bones are the smallest bone of the body. Tell me in the comment section which is the thinnest bones of the body. I have already told you in my previous lectures. The inner ear also helps in maintaining the balance of the body. Tongue, the third sense organ. Tongue has groups of sensory cells called taste buds. Tongue taste of bitter in its last parts, salty and sweet in front of tongue, similarly sour insides of tongue. इस चैनल पे पहले सीरीज़ मौजूद हैं। अगर आप न्यू हैं और आपने पिछले टॉपिक साइंस सीरीज़ के नहीं देखे हैं तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक से देख सकते हैं। We have almost 10,000 taste buds inside our mouth, even on the roofs of our mouth. Skin. Skin is the largest sense organ of our body. The most sensitive area of our body is your hands, lips, face, neck, tongue and feet. Skin has 2 main layers. Epidermis. It is the outer layer of the skin and contains 3 layers of cells. Dermis. It is the lower layer of the skin which contains sweat and oil glands, blood vessels, fat and sensory cells called receptors. There are about 100 touch receptors in each of your fingertips. We can sense different stimuli due to sensory organs, blood, environment, nutrition. The right answer is sense organs. In the eye, sensory cells are located on option A, choroid, option B, sclera, option C, iris, option D, retina. The right answer is retina. The next MCQ is the optic nerve behind the retina takes signals to the option A, arm, option B, brain, option C, ear, option D, nose. The right answer is option B, brain. If you are finding value in today's content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hearing is helped by option A, optic nerve, option B, auditory nerve, option C, sensory nerve. The right answer is auditory nerve. The next MCQ is, which organ is used for tasting? Option A, nose, option B, ear, option C, tongue, option D, eye. The right answer is option C. The next MCQ is, the dash are the most complex sense organ of the body. Option A, eyes, skin, nose, ears. The right answer is eyes. Next MCQ is, which of the following is known as the window of the brain? Sensory organs, eyes, ears, none of these. The right answer is sensory organs. The next MCQ is, smallest cells present in human body are. Red blood cells are the smallest in human body? No. Sperm cells, egg cells, nerve. The right answer is sperm cells are present in human body are the smallest cells. The next MCQ is, what is sclera? White part of eye, black part of eye, cornea, none of these. The right answer is white part of eye is sclera. The next MCQ is, what is the part of eye which is involved in focusing light on retina? Iris, ciliary muscles, sclera. The right answer is cornea, option D. The next MCQ is, convergence of vibrations into compressed wave takes place in which part of human ear? Option A, outer ear, option B, middle ear, option C, exterior ear, option C, inner ear. The right answer is option D, inner ear. The next MCQ is, name the tiny bones of the middle ear which convert sound into vibration. Stapes, option A, malleus, option B, incus, option C, option D, anvil. The right answer is option A, stapes. The next MCQ is, iris is found in which layer of eyeball? Option A, retina, option B, vascular tunic, option C, fibrous tunic, option D, none of these. The right answer is vascular tunic. The next MCQ is, name the part of eye which produce aqueous fluid that fills the front part of the eye. Cornea, option B, humor, option C, ciliary body, option D, cables. The right answer is ciliary body. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any video of this educational journey.